Hey, so for those iPhone users out there, this is the perfect companion now that the holidays is over, but it's time to start traveling again in spring and summertime. And this is the perfect companion. It's the AirTag 4-pack by Apple. So each of these AirTags can be assigned to different things. So we have one on my keys, one on my wife's keys, and one in each luggage case. Therefore, if something happens and you can't find your luggage, you get off the plane, where's my luggage, where's my luggage? We don't know. All you have to do is open your phone and find it. As soon as you get the AirTag out of the packaging and bring it near your phone, an app will pop up, and this is when you're first setting it up, and it'll recognize the AirTag, and then you just assign it, give it a name. Suitcase 1, suitcase 2, key ring 1, or wife's key ring. Even if you have a bicycle, you can stash this. Your car, you can stash this. Anything that you feel may become separated from you that you may want to find. So the uses are enormous and it never ends. We may get another pack of these, a pack of 4, and just start putting them in on everything. So it's the perfect companion, especially now with the summer season coming up when it's time to travel.